Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
Huh?
Where'd you even find it?
Woo! What's that all about?
And
My name's Manny. My name's Jay.
and I'm Amy. And we got the Nintendo Switch, Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and two Breath of the Wild amiibos of Link. So which one do you want to open first? You want to open this one first? Okay. Then you pick second. We're gonna wait, okay? Okay.
I want to open mine up on this. No, we don't trust you.
Damn, okay. Okay. I know people are gonna get mad at me for opening it like this. Okay. Here we go. It's the Link amiibo with the Hort, with the Pona, and him with his hood on. So,
I'm gonna open
Nara, she's gonna open the next.
it. You need help?
Oh! There you go.
And you can't see his face. He has no eyes.
That's because he has a hoodie on. Here, top, to the top. Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out.
Okay.
Here then. Look, see his thing is connected to the thing. Wait. Wait. Okay, now slide him out. Slide him out. There you go. So this is Link with the bow and arrow and the shield on some white thing. I don't know what that is. Maybe I'll see when I play the game.
It looks like red.
Put it on top of the boat.
Okay. So next we have Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, which I got a while back before I got the NX.
Because I wanted this thing.
So here's the tiny
That's a tiny thing.
here's a tiny cartridge. I'm not gonna lick it. I know it tastes nasty, but I'm not gonna lick it. And then the inside has art of Link climbing a mountain.
That's the end of the
So we're gonna move these to the side.
Spider-Man.
Now we're gonna open the NX itself. Here it comes. So here's the box right here. Not yet. Not yet. We're gonna try those later. Not right now. And then here's some cords. The straps for the Joy-Cons. This is to connect the Joy-Cons to the controller. I mean the tablet. That's another Joy-Con strap. Not yet. Be patient. So here are the Joy-Cons. They're smaller than I thought they were. Okay, so here comes the tablet for the
Small.
really tiny. Yeah, I'm gonna get a screen protector for this because I heard what happened with the NX.
Maybe be patient.
Here's the Joy-Con. Is it good? Oh, it's the other way around. Okay. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. So Chetna wants to open this. She wants the poppers. Figure out how to put this on. Goes in like that. And it makes a little switch sound when it hits it. So this is the dock for the tablet itself. So pretty much goes like just right adds to it, I'll leave it. So this will hold it. Maybe the right kind of straps, you want to try it? It goes up with and then when you're playing games like 1-2 Switch, you know, make it fly or something. And I heard it has HD Rumble too, so it's nice to see that. Oh, sorry. And then these are just cables for like the TV. So what do you think, Manny? You do? You can't wait to play Zelda or Bomberman later on if we get it? What about you, Chubby? What do you think about this?
It's good. It smells like mint.
Smells like what?
Mint.
It smells like Link? What does Link smell like?
Mint.
Okay, so I guess that wraps it up. You want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
See you later. I don't want to see you again.